Yeah. Here he comes. That to Mason. Oh gosh.
My turn, Daddy, my turn.
All right. Try to. Don't step on it, bub.
Thought he was going to squish it.
I thought you was gonna smash it.
You want me to smash it?
No.
I'll smash it.
All right, let's go, babe.
When it's my turn.
Here comes Kylie. She's gonna. I don't think Kylie's gonna make it over it.
Then you gotta have like a 50, you have to have 50 square. You gotta turn your feet like this, jump over.
If you're not gonna make it around it, go. Okay, go, John.
Here's one smash.
If you can't make it over it, just go around it.
You have to have a 50. Oh, smash it!
Come on, Bob. All right, here comes John.
Oh, smash it! Woo!
Go.
Oh, you touched it. I didn't touch it.
Well, that's because I messed up.
Watch this.
Mason, don't touch it. Mason, this time blow it up.
Blow it up! Shake it up, Daddy.
What? What, Hayden? What?
I want to shake.
You want to what?
We'll move, Golly.
No, that's Mason's drink.
If he doesn't